To correct the situation, the central bank has initiated programs to partner with stakeholders to ensure local production and breeding of chicken.
Chicken meat in Africa. Demand gap for eggs and meat stands at an Outstrip currently and at an Outstrip current supply by 1.2 million metric tons and 140,000 metric tons for meat and eggs respectively. Over the years, this demand gap has driven the smuggling of unhealthy frozen chicken into the country. To close this gap, the Central Bank of Nigeria has introduced various intervention schemes focused on boosting poultry production, creating decent jobs, fostering innovation in the poultry subsector. One of such schemes is the tertiary institutions.
The Kwara State government assured of its readiness to support and collaborate with others in the agriculture sector, ensure healthy meat and eggs consumption. The Olofa of Ofa challenged the agricultural sector to come up with research on how to produce and deliver healthy chicken.
Exciting to note that Kwara State is committed to maintain conducive environment for agriculture and particularly for livestock production. We are reiterating the support of our administration in livestock production in Ilorin